Hello, welcome to Solution Quickie. If your text is turning invisible at the corners in Adobe Premiere Pro, this could be due to the reason that you resize your text by scaling the motion, which works but is also confines text to a particular area, where if the text goes outside the limited area, it will turn invisible. So fixing this is really easy. All you need to do is turn the scaling in motion to whatever value it was at before you try to resize your text, and the text will go back to its original size. After that, you have to select the text in effect control and change the value of scaling, which is under the text. This will resize your text without turning your text invisible at the corner.